I will be having another comparison. But this time, we are going to compare OPPO A5S, Samsung A10, REALME 3. It will be a great battle for these smartphones. So I hope you guys will watch till the end. And by the way, thank you so much for your time for watching this video. And to those who are new to my channel, hope you guys will subscribe and hit the bell button to be the first to see my latest uploads. And I would like again to invite everyone to join my Y6 Pro 2019 giveaway. The mechanics will be found in my 50k subs video. Good luck, techies. Okay, so that's it, guys. So without talking too much, let's start this comparison.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
And so guys, if you are going to look at their designs, they have different designs, and these smartphones are made out of plastic. Yung back nila and then yung front nila is glass. So, kung pag-uusapan naman natin yung screen display nila, guys, si OPPO A5S is meron siyang 6.2 inches screen display, and si A10 naman, guys, is meron din siyang 6.2 inches screen display. And then si REALME 3 naman, guys, is same din. Meron siyang 6.2 inches screen display. So, magkapareho lang yung screen display nila. Now, kung pag-uusapan naman natin yung resolution nila, guys, is pareho silang meron 1520 by 720 pixels. Pero sa pixel density nila, makikita mo talaga ang pagkakaiba nila. So, kung pag-uusapan naman natin yung thickness nila, is mas makapal sa kanila si REALME 3 kasi meron siyang 8.3mm thickness, while si A5S naman ay meron siyang 8.2mm thickness. Yung pinakamanipis sa kanila, guys, is si A10, meron siyang 7.9mm thickness. Kung sa weight naman na pag-uusapan, guys, is mas mabigat din si REALME 3 since meron siyang 175 grams. While si A10 naman, guys, is meron siyang 168 grams. Ito yata yung pinakamagaan sa kanilang tatlo. Si A5S naman, guys, is meron siyang 170 grams. So, imagine, si A10 dito is pinakamagaan and pinakamanipis. Now, if we are going to talk about their OS and other features, so unahin natin si A5S. Si A5S, meron siyang 8.1 Oreo operating system powered by octa-core processor. Si A10 naman, guys, it runs on Android version 9 powered by octa-core processor, at yung chipset naman niya, guys, is Exynos 7884. And si REALME 3 naman, guys, also runs on Android version 9 Pie, and yung chipset niya is MediaTek Helio P60 chipset. Pareho silang tatlong powered by octa-core processor. Pinagkaiba lang nila is yung MediaTek version nila. Usapan naman natin yung batteries nila. Magkaiba din yung batteries ng tatlong to. Si A5S, meron siyang 4,230 mAh battery capacity. And si A10 naman, meron siya 3,400 mAh battery capacity. And si REALME 3 is meron siyang 4,230 mAh battery capacity. So to know how their batteries perform, so gumawa ako ng draining and pati na rin yung heating test nila, guys. So makikita nyo dyan sa clip na yan, yung performance ng draining nila. So sa draining test nila, guys, I tried to drain their batteries for 30 minutes by playing PUBG. And yung battery lives nila, guys, is parehong 100%. So after 30 minutes, si A5S is naging 94% na. Then si A10 ay naging 96%. Then si REALME 3 ay naging 94%. So imagine that, 3,400 mAh battery capacity lang siya. Pero siya pa yung mas malaking natirang percentage after 30 minutes of draining. So ngayon, chinek ko yung heating nila. And I found out na mas naging mainit din pala si A10 at saka si REALME 3 since nagkaroon sila ng 42 degrees Celsius, while the A5S naman is 41 degrees. So, ngayon pinagpatuloy ko yung draining test. So, another 30 minutes. Si A5S naging 88% na lang. Si A10 naging 90%. And si REALME 3 naging 88%. Nakakita niyo talaga kung sino sa kanila may mas magandang battery capacity. Hindi pala talaga yon, makikita lang sa kung sino yung may malaking milliamp hours. Okay, so since we're done testing their batteries, napunta naman tayo sa speed testing. And now sa speed test naman, guys, I tried to open Fruit Ninja, Granny, and Mobile Legends. And sa first app na inopen ko, guys, nauna si REALME 3, kasunod naman si A10, and the third one is A5S. Sa Granny naman, guys, nauna si Realme 3, makikita nyo dyan. And then, kasunod si A10, and the last is si A5S. And then, sa third naman, guys, surprisingly, mas naunang nagbukas si A10, then second si Realme 3, and third si A5S. As far as the cameras are concerned, these entry-level smartphones, guys, have amazing camera quality. A5S is meron siyang 8 megapixel front camera and meron siyang dual rear cameras. The main shooter is 13 megapixel and 2 megapixel. Now, si A10 naman, guys, is meron siya 5 megapixel front camera and 13 megapixel rear camera. So, isa lang yung rear camera ni A10. And si Realme 3 naman, guys, is meron siya 13 megapixel front camera and 13 megapixel rear camera plus 2 megapixel front camera. So, si A5S and si Realme 3 lang ang may dual rear camera. So, meron silang bokeh effect, guys. So, sa camera battle naman nila, guys, sa front cam, mas gusto ko yung camera ni Realme 3 kasi balance lang siya. Hindi siya masyadong sharp, hindi din vibrant masyado, so sakto lang. Which is real na real talaga. And then, si A10 naman, guys, is sharp siya, pero hindi siya gaanong vibrant. Makikita nyo dyan. And, hindi naman siya masyadong filtered din. Pero makikita mo talagang ini-enhance na yung skin color mo. And then, si A5S naman, guys, hindi rin siya vibrant, so sakto lang din siya. And then sa rear camera naman, guys, makikita nyo na magkaiba din talaga yung performance nila. Si Realme 3, makikita mong vibrant din yung kuha ng camera niya. Sakto lang din, sharp siya. Hindi naman siya masyadong enhanced yung kulay. So, balance lang si Realme 3, guys. Maganda rin yung focus niya and detalyado din yung mga images. Now, si A10 naman, guys, makikita mong kahit wala siyang depth sensor effect, sobrang ganda din ng kuha ng image ni A10. Clear din naman, edgy and sharp. Meron din silang kaunting vibrance. Now, sa A5S is iba din yung style niya. Iba din yung effect niya sa rear camera niya. Maganda din yung focus niya, guys. Intense din. And maganda yung object. Malinaw din naman and sharp din. And hindi din siya masyadong vibrant. So, sakto lang, which is I like. So, yun na, guys. So far sa rear camera nila, meron silang kanya-kanyang expertise. And now that we're done checking their cameras, of course, this wouldn't be complete without gaming test. So, tinry ko siya i-play silang tatlo sa Mobile Legend and sa PUBG. But then, makikita niyo dyan sa Mobile Legend, guys, playable silang tatlo. Maganda sila. Yung resolution nila, guys, is maganda. Pero, i-compare ko yung resolution or graphic quality nila sa Mobile Legend, mas punchy yung outcome ni A10 kung i-compare ko yun kay A5S and kay Realme 3. Kaya din nila yung high frame rate, guys, and high graphic quality. And sa PUBG naman, guys, kaya nila yung mid-graphic pero mas playable sila sa low setting. And so far, okay din yung performance nila, guys, sa PUBG. No lags naman, no frame drops. Everything is smooth. Ayan, so makikita nyo dyan. And again, mas realistic yung graphic quality pa rin ni A10 kung i-compare ko yun kay A5S and kay Realme 3. Ayun na, guys, so we're done doing the comparison of these three entry-level smartphones. Pero, syempre, this comparison video will not be complete also without my final verdict. Now, to my final verdict, guys, kung pag-uusapan natin yung design, premium kasi si Realme 3 talaga, guys, eh. Mas attractive siya sa akin, yung mirror design, and meron siyang dalawang color na nag-combine. Radiant siya. So, yun yung nagustuhan ko sa design. Now, pagdating naman sa specs, guys, actually, hindi naman magkalayo silang lahat, eh. Kasi, diba, pareho naman silang octa-core processor, so okay yung performance nila. Kung pag-uusapan naman natin yung resolution, guys, mas punchy si A10. So, mas bet ko si A10 sa resolution. Sa weight naman and sa thickness, mas bet ko si A10 din, guys, kasi magaan siya and hindi siya masyadong makapal. Ayun, so super comfortable to hold lang siya, guys. Sa battery, guys, surprise talaga ako kasi diba si A10, among of these three entry-level smartphones here, si A10 lang yung may pinakamababang milliamp hours. Pero siya pala yung pinaka matagal mag-low bat. Guys, imagine that, 4,000 plus milliamp hours yung mga kalaban niya, and siya is 3,400 lang. And then, siya pa tong matagal malobat. So, na-amaze ako dun sa kanya. Now, pagdating naman sa camera, hindi ko masyadong na-appreciate yung camera ni A10 and ni A5S kasi kita mo talagang meron silang subtle effect. Pero si Realme 3 guys, para sa akin, natural naman siya. Real na real talaga siya. So, gusto ko sa front camera nila is si Realme 3. Pagdating naman sa rear camera guys, is mas stand out yung performance sa akin ni A10 kung compare ko yun kay A5S and kay Realme 3. Ayun lang naman. So, I hope you guys na nalinawan na kayo kung saan sa kanila yung bet nyo. Para sa akin, bet ko talaga si A10 guys. Kasi sa design, magaan lang siya. Nipis lang din. Then yung battery niya talaga guys, na-amaze ako. Matagal siyang mag-lowbat. And then yung camera niya guys, maganda yung rear cam niya. Yung front cam niya nga lang, hindi masyadong maganda. And storage niya, malaki naman, 32GB. Kaso nga lang, wala nga lang siyang fingerprint scanner. So kung fan kayo ng fingerprint scanner, ganon. So ayun, mamili na lang kayo kay Realme 3 or kay A5S. So far talaga sa kanilang tatlo, si A10 yung nag-stand out para sa akin. Okay, so again, it's all up to you. Kung sa test ko, kung hindi kayo naging satisfied kay A10 at mayroon kayong choices, feel free to comment below, okay? So yun lang naman guys, I hope na na-enjoy kayo sa comparison na to. I hope that you guys will leave a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Shoutout nga pala kay Chuck Ragas, Carl Pedraza, alias Yosan, and si Angelo. Hello, Techie! Thank you so much, and see you till my next review. Bye!